Welcome to the first China Scientific and Technology Innovation Gala.
I've had this dream, and I'm most often reminded about it when I'm stuck in traffic. And every time I'm in a traffic jam, I dream about being able to fly over it. Now I think this dream is actually about to come true. Let's welcome our guest as he arrives at our gala event by air. That is so cool. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Hu. The stage is yours.
This aircraft is extremely special, and I'll tell you why. It's the only aircraft to be issued with an airworthiness certificate by China's Civil Aviation Administration. As you can see, it's fitted with 2 seats, both of which are only for passengers. This is truly an unmanned aircraft with no need for a pilot. Additionally, you can see that it has 16 propellers. Each and every propeller comes with its own backup system. If there are problems with the flight control system or the propellers, even if some stop rotating in flight, it will still be able to fly normally. Here at Hufei Luogang Park, our aircraft were put through flight trials every day for your safety, and we have secured the world's first OC permit and operating certificate. That means that Hefei will be the first city in the world to have air taxis. Thank you.
Dear time travelers, welcome aboard the maiden voyage of our hyperdimensional space capsule.
We have arrived in the year 2077.
There are roadworks ahead.
Switching over to flight mode.
We are flying over the smart maritime port SC-1010, where you will be transferred to a high-speed train which has a direct connection to your community.
Docking is complete, ending flight mode. Now switching over to rail track mode.
You've arrived at the innovation community.
The capsule is docked to the elevator. We're going up. Welcome home. Enjoy your day.
I'm really looking forward to easy travel like this in the near future.
These days, our cities are designed with cars in mind. However, a new low-altitude economy is going to bring more transportation to the skies. Now, as you saw in the video we just played you, we will have aircrafts that can take you directly home by landing on your balcony for the easiest convenience. Buildings will grow and expand like trees, with landing pads in various locations. The entire city will be set up to better serve air traffic. In as little as 50 years, our cities may undergo exciting transformations, turning into something we now only see in sci-fi movies.
Coming up next, I'm going to show you a video that'll get your adrenaline pumping and send your mind racing. Without further ado, let's go to our field reporter Ding Shi as they take part in an extraordinary test.
Hello guys, I'm Ding Shi, a field reporter for the program. I'm currently at West Taihu Lake at Changzhou in Jiangsu. Today I'll be testing this new energy vehicle by driving it straight into a lake. I'll take the risk of driving into the water and leave it in the water for 30 minutes. What'll be the fate of the car that's made for driving through water? Will it be safe and sound? Let's go. Oh, that sudden sinking feeling. This is terrifying. I can't believe we're really doing this. Are we going to keep driving? Are you sure?
Well, keep going.
High water level detected.
Look, the window's closing.
Emergency flotation mode.
The sunroof opened.
Yes, it did. Have a look at the dashboard. It's telling us we're in emergency mode. We've submerged more than a meter. When it's in emergency mode, the car windows will close automatically, and the sunroof will open as emergency mode activates. The sunroof provides us with our first chance to escape. Usually, if a car goes underwater like this, it's not going to stay afloat for more than 5 minutes. But this car is built with special technology to keep the water out. It can float for up to 30 minutes.
So we have 30 minutes to try and escape. Wow.
Yes, that's right.
So far, no water has gotten into the car. That's remarkable. Now, let's take a look and see what the water level is outside. Currently, the water level is about this high. I wonder if after 30 minutes the water level will stay exactly the same. There's only one way to find out. We'll be right back. It's been 30 minutes, let's have a look. We can see that the water level marker is in the same place, and the car is still floating safely. So it can always stay at a consistent level in the water without submerging further.
And keep water out.
Yes, that's right. It hasn't let any water inside. And gave us plenty of time to escape. Right, let's head back to dry land.
Welcome, Mr. Wang.
Thank you.
A few moments ago, our colleague Ding Shi showed us how a new energy vehicle performs under extreme conditions. We all agree it's quite exhilarating and thrilling. But I have a question for you. Since the sunroof can automatically open in emergency mode, is it necessary for the vehicle to remain afloat for so long? Can people not simply climb out of the sunroof?
Actually, well, these scenarios are not very common. They all represent dangers that we might face in our lifetimes. We started noticing that climate change has led to more and more extreme weather phenomenon, which has caused unique issues, such as urban flooding. In this case, a car can accidentally drive into deep water, causing it to then stall, putting people in danger. The average person wouldn't know how to deal with that situation, so we started thinking about whether we could use technology to solve this problem. In 2023, we finally turned this idea into reality with the help of the E4 platform technology. It's called the E4 platform because it refers to a system that uses 4 independent motors for the wheels of the car. Each wheel will be controlled by an independent motor. As you saw in the video, the vehicle floated in deep water for a full 30 minutes, almost like a lifeboat. It does not sink, it floats. And it doesn't take in water, thanks to this waterproofing breakthrough. Plus, with this world-leading technology, the 4 wheels can drive independently, just like 4 paddles on a boat. The driver can even use the gas pedal and steer while in the car, allowing them to navigate out of the flooded area and quickly make their way to dry land. Aside from flooding, there's another life-threatening situation: high-speed tire blowouts. Of all the major kinds of traffic accidents, high-speed tire blowouts are the deadliest. When a car is traveling at over 140 kilometers per hour, the fatality rate from a blown tire is nearly 100%. Very few people walk away. Once a tire blows, the car can get out of control so quickly that traditional gas-powered cars simply don't have the time to react. With new energy vehicles, we've developed a stability feature to deal with these blowouts. Even if a tire blows out at top speed at 140 kilometers per hour, the car can automatically adjust the power output of the remaining 3 wheels in milliseconds to maintain balance so the car doesn't veer out of control, but safely comes to a stop. We hope that with these groundbreaking technologies, people can have comfort and peace of mind, even in an emergency. Thank you.
Earlier in our show, we saw aircraft soaring into the sky and cars racing on the ground. Do you feel like there's something perhaps missing? What about a cruise ship sailing across the 7 seas, huh? Well, keep a lookout. Here it comes. This is no ordinary ship. It's a deep-sea exploration vessel designed to unveil the mysteries of the Earth's interior. It's called the Dream Explorer. Let's learn more about it from Zhu Rishang, a researcher from the Chinese Academy of Science. Let's welcome him.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Mr. Zhu.
Hello. The reason we call the ship the Dream Explorer is because it carries our dream of breaking through the Moho discontinuity and exploring the mysteries of the Earth's depths.
Mr. Zhu, what exactly is the Moho discontinuity?
This is an image of the Earth. Now, speaking frankly, our understanding of the Earth's interior is still limited. We have divided the layers of the Earth into the following ways: the crust, the mantle, and core. You see the boundary here between the crust and the mantle? We call that boundary the Moho. Hiding under the crust, since we've learned of it, none of our exploration methods have actually reached the Moho. We can see here that the Dream Explorer's probe will go straight to the ocean floor and start drilling down once it gets there. As you can see, its special drilling tools can break through these hard layers to extract core samples from the mantle of the Earth. Think of it as if we're taking a sample from the Earth's organ for a biopsy. The drill works in the same way.
And now, we'll be stepping aboard the Dream Explorer. Take it away.
Hello, everyone. I'm currently on board the Dream Explorer, and it is truly spectacular. It's approximately 180 meters long and nearly as tall as a 25-story building. Its maximum drilling depth is an astounding 11,000 meters, kind of like the Monkey King's magical staff reaching down into the depths to search for treasures.
These are the drill pipes, the Monkey King's staff. Each one is 9.6 meters long. They're each connected one by one to form a 10,000-meter drill that can reach directly to the seabed without difficulty.
It takes over 1,000 of these pipes, right?
Yes.
Connecting the drill pipes is the busiest part of the ship's operations. They are transported by a conveyor system to the rig, where they are automatically raised and connected. The hydraulic equipment on the drilling platform repeatedly drives the drill deep into the ocean, down to a maximum depth of 11,000 meters. Once the drill has pierced through the seabed, samples are collected and sent back to the ship. Once the core samples from the seabed have been retrieved, scientists can conduct research on them aboard the Dream Explorer.
Ready to explore the ocean's depths, the Dream Explorer is setting sail towards the horizon. But now it's time to turn our gazes even higher, towards the cosmos. Let's give a warm welcome to Mr. Wu, the Director and Chief Scientist of China's Deep Space Exploration Laboratory and Chief Designer of the Lunar Exploration Program. Welcome, Mr. Wu. Thank you. Now, I've been told that you have 3 powerful tools for lunar exploration in your laboratory. Would you like to tell our audience about them?
Sure. I'll explain the 3 key tools for you developed by our Deep Space Exploration Laboratory. The first one is our 2 satellites named Tiandu-1 and Tiandu-2. They are currently orbiting the Moon and will provide communication, navigation, and remote sensing services for users occupying the Moon's surface and are within the lunar orbit. The second tool is a customized 3D printer designed specifically for lunar operations. It'll be crucial for building structures on the lunar surface. We'll be able to pave roads and even build houses. Last but not least, let me introduce you to this device for extracting water on the Moon. It can easily drill into the lunar soil to extract water. And by heating it, we can purify the water we extract, thus solving our water problem. And as long as there's water, there's a possibility for life. So this tool is essential for space living. Humans have already thoroughly explored the Moon, as well as other celestial bodies, which all fall within the realm of deep space exploration. But the Moon remains our current focus. It serves as our outpost as well as our springboard into deep space, and is the starting point for a new interstellar civilization. Maybe one day soon I think that humans will enter into a new era of interstellar voyages.
当太阳绕过地球另一半的空旷，请把我叫醒，我想去看黎明。当冰霜落在秋天最温暖的地方，请把我叫醒，我想和他一样，散落在金色的落叶里，和泥土成为一体，翱翔在汪洋的天际里，随晨曦消散而去。我生来是一有这简单意，何必要低着头学爬行？人人生气的云霄聚集，熊熊烈火燎原在我眼中。我生来是一逆风而行，天地间昂首高树影，昼夜不停，越无人之境，负重前行。我们生来是一，何必要低着头学爬行？冉冉升起，熊熊烈火燎原在我眼中。生来是一，天地间昂首高树影，昼夜不停，越无人之境，负重前行。是我一生追寻。
Next, I'm going to show you a huge magic walk, which is a spherical radio telescope gazing at the sky and the universe. In fact, the walk is called the 500-meter Aperture Spherical Telescope, or FAST. It's located in the remote mountainous region of the Guizhou province. We've used virtual reality technology to shrink it down and bring it into our studio today. But in reality, it is an astounding 500 meters wide. Let's welcome in our studio the chief engineer of FAST, our dear friend Jiang. Hello, welcome.
Hello.
Jiang, happy to have you. First of all, I want to ask you a question. It's something that I've been eager to know for a while now. We always point out that the FAST is 500 meters wide, but is there a particular reason for this number?
The telescope with a larger diameter has a bigger area to collect light. It's like using a wok to catch rainwater. The bigger your wok is, the more rainwater you can collect. Likewise, the larger the antenna, the more energy it can capture, so a big antenna has the ability to capture faint signals. This means that we have a better chance of discovery and the making of greater scientific achievements. A telescope as large as FAST grants us endless opportunities in the scientific field. It can expand our vision to the very edge of the observable universe.
In the years since FAST has been in operation, what interesting or fun cosmic phenomena have we detected?
I'd say that every discovery made by FAST is really valuable. We have now discovered 1,000 pulsars. Look at the screen. This little spinning top next to me is a pulsar. It rotates in a vacuum. It has a very stable frequency and has, how should I put it? It has excellent spatial stability. So it serves as a dual reference for time and space. These two characteristics makes it especially suitable as a landmark in our universe. I'm trying to think of an example. Oh, here's a good one. If one day, like in the movie The Wandering Earth, we lose our home and need to travel to the stars, you would need a map of the universe in order to navigate it, right? These 1,000 pulsars, as they spin, look a lot like lighthouses. You can think of them as beacons, guiding us on interstellar journeys or helping us to do similar work as we continue to explore outer space. These actually have practical value. I'd now like to play a recording for you all. It's an audio clip created by the FAST research team based on the electromagnetic wave signals detected from pulsars. I hope you enjoy these amazing sounds from the depths of the universe.
to the stars and beyond. Thank you for joining. We hope to see you again.
See you next time!